our final trade of the day. Joining me now is Mark Sebastian of Option Pit Mentoring, here to talk about American Airlines, which has had a lot of headlines lately. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, interesting stuff.
Absolutely. So, you have Qatar trying to take out this 10% stake, and then, of course, the CEO saying, we're not interested in that. Why would you do that anyway?
Right. It's interesting. Normally when someone says, hey, we think your stock is cheap, we want to buy 10% of your company, the CEOs are ecstatic and they go, yeah, you're right, our stock is too cheap. Buy more of it because that just shows value. Now, instead, the CEO of American Airlines comes out and blasts the deal. Why? Qatar Airlines is very state funded, and that's been one of the big problems that the U.S. carriers have with international airlines, is that a lot of them are state funded, meaning the government actually puts money in their pockets.
There's a price fare war going on because of the situation.
Right. So Qatar, with backing from their government, is able to artificially deflate prices.
It's like a subsidy.
Right, which it is a subsidy, which then angers American Airlines. Right. So the CEO comes out and just blasts the deal. So the stock had been up a lot, now not up nearly as much, but the transpos had been moving. There were some hints on this, but it's not like they'd been like a really strong sector the last couple of weeks. This puts a nice floor in American Airlines. I think that there is some upside. Maybe there's a point that some of the airlines are starting to say, uncle, on this price war, and we can potentially rally out of it.
What would be your options trade, or just a trade on American Airlines?
I might be willing to go out and buy the stock in a diversified portfolio. But in the options, with this Qatar purchase, implied volatility, that's the cost of insuring American Airlines stock, popped. I can sell puts at like the 49 level or the 48 level, potentially take delivery at a slightly lower price, and collect $1.10, which is a pretty nice trade for an option trader if one's interested in it. So that would probably be my approach.
You'd be taking in premium, and then if the stock is put to you,
I would own it, and I'd start.
Comfortable with the level.
Yeah, I like the level. I'll buy American Airlines for $47, $48 a share all day with Qatar coming in trying to buy the stock.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.